Welcome. Today I will show you how to set up active workpiece clamping on a Grob G350 with a ZeroBot 100V. We will use a ZeroVise P160 to clamp the workpieces and the active workpiece robot gripper to load and unload the parts. And we will use blank holders and holding bars to locate, hold and store the blank workpiece. First, we will mount the horizontal holding bars to a reconfigurable rack. The hole spacing in Z of 50 mm allows the horizontal holding bars to be spaced up or down at their optimal position depending on the workpiece size. Next, the workpiece blank holders are slide on and adjusted to the blank workpiece size with the self-centering spring clips. The first left-hand blank holder serves as a fixed zero reference starting point for the raw. Once the rack is fully loaded with workpieces, the ZeroBot's user interface is used to enter the part spacing in the X, Y and Z directions, as well as the number of parts in the X and Y directions and the total number of workpieces in the rack. The active robot gripper bars and clamping pins are adjusted for the workpiece size. Next, we will teach the pickup position of the first rack workpiece. This is always at the bottom left. The rotary axis for the X and Y directions can easily be moved by hand. The up-down Z axis is moved with the MPG hand wheel. When the pickup position is determined, it is entered into the robot program. The pickup position is now stored. Now the vise set down position is missing. The ZeroVise P160 jaws are selected and adjusted for the blank part size. The pick and up workpiece is positioned in the open ZeroVise P160 grip jaws. The rest of the positioning process is identical to the process of the pick-up position. Once the machine set down position has also been confirmed in the user interface, all the required position and information are stored. The ZeroBot is able to handle a total weight of 100 kg. The pneumatically operated double-sided active robot gripper rotates 180 degrees, reducing the loading and unloading times. The robot gripper always holds the blank workpiece on the bottom edges while loading and unloading the automated P160 ZeroVise jaws. This eliminates the need for different robot jaws to pick up the part after it is machined. Requires a clamping depth of only 4 mm to hold the blank workpiece.